Good morning, Tom. Wake up.
Good morning, Mommy. I am awake.
Today is a special day. Look at the sun.
Why is today special, Mommy?
We are going to the farm today.
The farm? I love the farm.
Are you ready, Tom? Let's pack your bag.
I want to wear my yellow t-shirt. I am ready. Let's go to the car.
Put your seatbelt on, Tom.
Goodbye, house. Hello, farm. Let's go. Look. The city is very big.
We are leaving the city now.
I see a lot of green grass.
The countryside is very quiet and beautiful.
Look, Tom. What color is that field?
Wow. It is yellow. Many yellow flowers. A bridge. We are crossing the water. Mommy, look! I see horses.
Yes, horses live in the countryside.
Ah. The car is jumping. This is fun.
We are almost at Grandma's house.
I see it. I see the red roof.
We are here. Let's get out.
No! Hello, Tom. Welcome to the farm. Grandma, I miss you so much.
Hello, little Tom. You look tall.
Hello, Mom. Hello, Dad. Nice to see you.
Are you hungry, Tom? Yes, I am. But I want to see the animals first.
Okay. Let's go see the chickens.
Wear this hat. The sun is hot.
I am a little farmer now.
The chickens are waiting for breakfast.
Where are the chickens, Grandpa?
Look. Here they come.
They are so noisy. What are they saying?
They are saying they are hungry. Feed them. Here you go, chickens. Eat your food.
Wow! That is a big rooster.
Look at the babies. They are yellow.
They are so small and soft. Peep, peep. I like the baby chickens.
Tom, look. The chickens gave us eggs.
Are these for our breakfast, Grandma?
Yes. Fresh eggs are very healthy.
I will be very careful with this egg.
Now, let's visit the pigs.
The pigs are pink. And they have curly tails. They are funny. They are playing in the mud.
The mud keeps them cool when it is hot.
Goodbye, pigs. Have a nice bath.
I see something big and black and white.
It is a cow. It is a very big cow. Moo! Hello, Mrs. Cow.
This cow gives us fresh milk every day.
Do you drink milk from the cow, Grandpa?
Yes, it is very delicious.
The cow is eating a lot of grass.
Look, Tom. The cow has big eyes.
Oh, her nose is cold. That tickles. Her tongue is rough.
Clean your hands, Tom. Good job.
I like the cows. They are very kind.
This is my vegetable garden.
I see green leaves. Where are the carrots?
The carrots are under the ground. Look,
Wow.
An orange carrot. It is so long.
Look at the tomatoes. They are red and round.
Red tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. La, la.
the plants are thirsty. Can you help me?
Yes, I want to water the plants. Drink the water, little plants. Grow big. Oops, my shoes are wet. But it's okay.
Smile, Tom. You are a great gardener.
Yeah! I love working on the farm.
Let's take these vegetables to the kitchen.
I can help. The basket is not heavy.
Lunch will be very good today.
Everything looks so delicious.
Eat the carrots and tomatoes you picked.
Yum. This carrot is sweet and crunchy.
Here is some fresh milk for you.
The milk is very cold and tasty.
Look at the sky. The sun is going down.
The sky is pink and orange. It is beautiful.
The farm is very peaceful in the evening.
I am a little tired, but I am very happy.
You had a busy day, my little farmer.
Do you have to go now? Yes, Grandma, but I will come back soon.
Take these apples for the road.
Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandpa. Goodbye. I love you.
Goodbye, Tom. See you soon.
Today is the best day ever.
Good night, Tom. Sweet dreams.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.